everyone, this is Shel C from PaperOcotilloStudio, and I wanted to show you a new thing that I got for artsy playdates. This is a Mollie Ollie Mimmo Caddy, and a person named Ivy, who is a mother of two, designed this caddy and is selling it through their website as well as through Amazon. I have a special link below that you can click to get to the caddy, as well as a 10% off coupon that will last for 2 weeks. So that's until the 27th. And that'll give you a 10% discount on this product. So it came folded flat, which I thought was really nice because I will be able to make it more my own by stenciling or painting on those pockets that are all the way around the side. It's made out of a very heavy duty felt that is a polyester felt, and then it's lined with a silky liner, and it has these removable separators, dividers that you can put in there if you want your things to stay more in place. But if you had something larger you wanted to put in there, like a casserole, a small casserole or something, you could just leave those out. They're removable by Velcro, obviously. So I decided to think to myself, to imagine if somebody called me up and they said, "Hey, you want to come over and do some art? You want to have a play date, and maybe do some by the pool, or let's do some artsy stuff." And so I said to myself, if that happened, never happens, but if that happened, what would I put in it? It has a lot of pockets. It's got this zipper pocket on the side, which has some little elastics that can hold things in place, like pins and little mini sprayers and ink tools, and anything like that. If you were using, I believe this was invented as a diaper bag, and if you're using it as a diaper bag, you could put your keys, your wallet, and your phone in that little zipper side to keep them safe as you're hauling your kids around. I just found some different things that would fit in there, and just to give it a good try, see what would happen. See, glue, whatever. If you're going to take it scrapbooking, that would work for glues and things, tape runners and things like that. These other pockets, I thought to myself, would be perfect size for your ATC size stencils, the ones that come in a set of 9. Great for using them in your journal, as well as, which you saw I put my journal in there, as well as on your small gel plate. I tucked that in there. I tucked in my brayer, and I thought things like brushes could stand up in there, and you don't like to put brushes inside of things because they get squished. So having them stand up on the side underneath the handle seemed to make sense. So I put a few brushes in there. I also grabbed this pencil box, which was just a cheap pencil box. And I put some of my favorite mark making pencils in there, my water brush. I'm trying this out. This is not a real scenario, so I didn't go and dig through the stuff that I really would want, like woodies and crayon dash crayons and more Posca pens and stuff like that. I was just throwing in some stuff to see what would it be like. So I was thinking about scissors, and I thought the scissors would tuck down in there really well, but I wanted to fold something around them so they didn't poke, because I don't want to poke a hole in the bottom of them. So I just folded a piece of paper around the pointy scissors, tuck them down in there, worked perfectly. I did have my small gel plate, my 3.5 by 7 3/4 gel plate in its metal case, but I ended up moving it over and putting my stencils in that side pocket, that outer side pocket, because my stencils are on rings so that I can keep them together in sets, because I need to know what they are when I use them, so I can tell everyone on my channel what they are. So because I couldn't fold them down back into like a little playing card stack, I ended up putting them in the side pocket, and I put my gel plate and brayer in this other pocket with the pencil box. I got some mediums, I got some small canvases, some paper. I've been gel printing on that paper for collage. I had a little plastic box, and I put some painty paper scrap bits in there to do some collage. I mean, I think I pretty much grabbed everything that I could think of and threw it in there just, so that I could just grab this. The handles are sturdy. They're not going to tear off there. I kind of pulled on them just to see what I thought about that. I think I could jam more stuff in this and it would be perfectly sturdy and fine to take anywhere I wanted to. Easy to get things in and out because it doesn't have a flap over the top. I have a thing that was back from my scrapbooking days that has this big flap that flops over, and then every time you want to get something out, you got to unflop it, and then it flops onto the floor, and it has pockets in it, and all the stuff spills out. It wasn't good thinking. So I think that this is well designed because it's kind of rigid, keeping everything in this rectangular shape, and you can easily pull things out. It's a good idea. What else did I put in there? I think right now I'm grabbing my little plastic box. Yeah, this is just like a little plastic box, and I threw some painty scraps in there for collage, and I stuck it in there on top. Oh, baby wipes so I could keep my hands clean, and Art Guard lotion. I know I put that in there. I've got gesso. I've got modeling paste, matte gel medium. Everything I think I can think of right now. Yeah. So I think this is a great caddy. Down below the video, there will be a link that you can, a clickable link that you can click on to go to the Amazon to see it, see the different colors, see the video, see whatever you want to find out about it. What is it made out of? All the information from Mollie Ollie that will tell you everything about this caddy. And then, of course, I have some more pictures. Also, there is a coupon code that you can use to get 10% off, but that does end on the 27th of January 2022. So make sure that you do that before that time frame. I hope you enjoyed this review and will consider this caddy for your art play dates. And that's it for me. Thanks. Bye-bye.